All right, so Weddings JA wants to make it easier for brides and grooms to have everything at their fingertips. So here to tell us about their mobile app is Director Roneisha James. Roneisha, good morning.
Good morning.
All right, so let's start out with the wedding season in a time of COVID. What has it been like?
It has been really difficult for a lot of wedding vendors. I'm sure this has probably been one of the most challenging times they've ever faced because, as you know, a lot of people have been postponing or even canceling their wedding because of the situation. However, with the government now allowing weddings to have as much as 50 persons are now getting married, and they're also planning for the future as well. So it's not so bad. People are still getting married.
Okay, but why was there a need to create an app? Because I know everything is digital now and people want things at their fingertips. So why was there a need to create an app for weddings?
Well, as you said, everything is digital now and everybody wants something at their fingertips. So this is where Weddings JA comes in for all the engaged couples across Jamaica and beyond. What we provide is a free online wedding planning assistant. You can literally go on the app. You can find pretty much any wedding supplier that you'll need, from the venue to the hairstylist to the photographers to the cake to the decorator. Everything is featured on the Weddings JA app. And not only do we feature vendors that you can contact, by the way, it's very easy to contact them. You just send them a message using the request pricing section and you can get your free quotation. But we also have a lot of wonderful features that the engaged couples can use to their advantage. We're talking about the RSVP manager. You know, persons can send an invitation to their wedding guests virtually now through the app, and they can also collect their RSVPs. We also have a wedding checklist. It's an automated checklist based on the couple's wedding date, and it will keep them abreast of all the things that they need to do to get them ready up until the big day. We also have a vendor manager where brides and grooms to be can keep abreast with who the preferred suppliers are, and easily contact them when they need to do so. And we have so many amazing features. I can't even get into all of it right now, but one I know for sure people can take advantage of is the deals feature.
Yeah, because in Jamaica we like deals and all of these things, and you know.
Yes, and you know, a lot of things are tight right now because of COVID. And so we have a deals page on the app where couples can actually see different vendors that are offering deals and special offers. You know, we have deals up to 40% off that they can take advantage of. So
yeah, so as you said, things are easing now with restrictions. What has the response been like through your app or through whatever venue people come to you to organize their weddings? What has the response been like for people?
Well, as I mentioned earlier, because of the restrictions being, they have now allowed for persons to have up to 50 persons at their wedding. You know, we have seen an increase in persons using the website and the app, and people are very excited about planning ahead because you know you don't really plan a wedding within a month. You really plan ahead. So with things looking up now, people are now back into wedding planning mode and using the app to do just that.
You had said for Jamaica and for local and abroad,
yes.
People abroad use the app as well?
Yes, so our primary audience is the local market. However, we do have persons from the USA, Canada, and the UK that use the app as well. And we have a lot of people from the diaspora because, you know, a lot of people want to come back to Jamaica to get married where their family is. Yes, so we have a lot of users from overseas.
How does a virtual wedding assistant work now? Do I just pick up my phone and send them a message and I get a response right away? How does it work?
Okay, so when I said virtual earlier, I mean in terms of the features that we provide for the wedding planning, but we do have a virtual wedding assistant that couples can take advantage of. So any questions that you have pertaining to your wedding, let's say you are looking for a venue within a particular budget, we have a free virtual wedding planner that can actually help you to navigate your wedding journey. Just send her a message, whatever it is that you're looking for, and she'll direct you in the right way. And that's absolutely free.
Yeah, because Roneisha, if I'm getting married for the first time, I'm gonna have a whole heap of questions.
Yes.
Like, what's one question that you get all the time from someone getting married for the first time?
The first thing that the what I find people are usually asking about is really the venue.
The venue.
Because that's where it all starts. You have to have the venue first. So, and they want to have the right venue, you know. So that is really finding a venue and one that matches their style and their budget.
Oh, budget. That's the
Yes.
next one. As far as it goes with weddings in Jamaica now, what's the peak time you've seen for weddings? Like what time of year do people usually get married?
Well, people get married right throughout the year, but you find that a lot of engagements happen within the Christmas season, as well as the Valentine's, sometime in February, mid-February. There's a spike.
There's a spike in February.
Yes.
Where can we get the Weddings JA app?
Okay, so I'm glad you asked that question. So the app is available for free.
Wait, you have to repeat that part. You have to repeat that part because this is the part where we love now. When the app is available for?
The Weddings JA app is available for free on the Play Store and the App Store. No cost. Just download and start planning.
Sure, and then later on, nobody not gonna ask me for information.
No, there's no purchase anywhere at all. Everything is absolutely free for all couples to take advantage of. I guarantee they're gonna love it. I encourage all the couples all across Jamaica to download this app now and start planning your wedding. And also, I didn't mention earlier, we also have a store feature. So anything that you want, you can actually visit our shop and buy your wedding products. And if you're a wedding supplier, you can also list your products for sale as well.
Okay, so how do the suppliers get in touch with you? Do they enlist through your app? Do they approach you directly? How do they do that?
Yes, so they can actually send a query through the website, or they can actually send us an email at info@weddingsja.com, and we'll take it from there.
I think I know why they gave me this interview this morning. You know?
Oh.
Because everybody's talking about weddings.
Are you getting married?
I will get married one day, soon.
Okay.
That's my answer for everything now.
But wait. So I have one more feature that I cannot neglect to mention. So after the wedding, you know weddings are expensive.
Yes, they are.
So after the wedding, the bride can actually list her dress for sale so she can recover some of those wedding expenses while helping out another bride.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
So even so from the before the wedding to after the wedding, we're here to help you every step of the way.
That's interesting. That's awesome. I'm glad you're able to do this. I'm glad you've been able to develop an app because everything is going app-based.
Yes.
Roneisha James, Director of Weddings JA. The app is available on the App Store, Play Store, and it is free. So after the break, wedding do's and don'ts. We'll be right back.